Put your right boot in, pick a bar stool out, walk your left boot in, and you order up around. Do the honky-tonky, shoot the whiskey down. That's what it's all about. You call your best friends up, turn the jukebox loud, hit your 1-2 step, then you drop it to the ground. Do the honky-tonky, spin a girl around. That's what it's all about. Talking big time, small time, what we need. Lil Johnny and June on the MP3. Get the Chevrolet rolling with the 3 on the tree. Set your Friday night to neon light speed. Yeah, we all know how to do it. Since you pre-K, walk you through it. Break the daisies out and get the dookie. Add some country twang to the music. You put your right boot in, pick a bar stool out, walk your left boot in, and you order up around. Do the honky-tonky, shoot the whiskey down. That's what it's all about. You call your best friends up, turn the jukebox loud, hit your 1-2 step, then you drop it to the ground. Do the honky-tonky, spin a girl around. That's what it's all about. Country girl, city girl, do what you do. We gon' take it to 100 and this liquor's the proof. Yeah, I pulled up in my truck, but I leave in the cab. You ain't gotta pay your cover, and I'll cover your tab. And we all know where we're headed. Make some memories and forget it. Cause we're young, dumb, and we reckless. Off the deep end every weekend. You put your right boot in, pick the bar stool out, walk your left boot in, and you order up around. Do the honky-tonky, shoot the whiskey down. That's what it's all about. You call your best friends up, turn the jukebox loud, hit your 1-2 step, then you drop it to the ground. Do the honky-tonky, spin a girl around. That's what it's all about.
Let's learn Honkeytonkey, Hokey Pokey. It's choreographed by Kat Nichols. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the Honkeytonkey, Hokey Pokey. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the right and the left. So you're going to step your right foot to the side, cross your left foot behind your right. Step your right foot to the side, touch your left toe next to your right. You're now going to repeat that to the left. Step your left foot to the side, cross your right foot behind your left. Step your left foot to the side and touch your right toe next to your left. Let's try it with some counts. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to point your right toe to the right side, touch your right next to your left, hit your right knee slightly up, step your right next to your left, taking weight onto your right foot. We're now going to repeat that to the left, point your left toe to the left side, touch your left next to your right, hit your left knee up, and then step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. Let's try it with some counts, starting with your point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a K step that's going to make a quarter turn. We're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. You're going to step back with your left, touch your right next to your left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. Touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the side, and then you're going to step your right next to your left about shoulder width apart. Let's try it with some counts, doing your K step. 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do heel-toe-heel swivels to the right and the left. So you're going to take both heels, swivel them to the right, swivel both toes to the right, both heels to the right, and then you're going to take your left foot, you're going to flick it slightly back. Now, as you step your left foot to the side, you're going to swivel both heels to the left. Now you're going to swivel both toes to the left, both heels to the left, and you're going to flick your right foot slightly back. And then you would start the dance all over again with your grapevine to the right. Let's try it with some counts. Your split weight, shoulder width apart, ready to do your heels, toes, heels to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot, starting with your grapevine. Grapevine right, grapevine left. Now your point. Point, touch, hitch, step, point, touch, hitch, step, step, touch, back, touch, quarter turn, touch, side, together, heels, toes, heels, flick, heels, toes, heels, flick. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, grapevine to the right and the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, if you're feeling like it's hard to go into those heel swivels when you step together, try when you step that you're slightly angling your toes to the right. That will give you some leverage to do those turns. So instead of your toes being straight forward, you can slightly angle them when you step with your toe to the right, and that will help you turn to the right. Now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're doing our grapevine, right and left. Side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch. Point, touch, hitch, step, point, touch, hitch, step, K, step, forward, touch, back, touch, quarter turn, touch, step, together, heels, toes, heels, flick, heels, toes, heels, flick, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left. Point, touch, hitch, step, point, touch, hitch, step, K, step, forward, touch, back, touch, turn, touch, side, together, heels, toes, heels, flick, heels, toes, heels, flick, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can scroll to the end of the video and practice with the rear-facing demo so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the honky-tonky hokey pokey. If you have any questions, let me know. Also, if you're looking for the music, feel free to email the choreographer. Her email is listed on the step sheet to have access to the music. Thanks, guys.
Your right boot in, pick a bar stool out, walk your left boot